What the hell is this one over the airport? The volcano over Colima, it's erupted again. That's why that UFOs just flying around. To make it a little bit more darker here. But that could be anything. They say the date, time, second, and this happened. What's this one? Where the cursor is? And look at here down to the side, that's a UFO there. Right in the bottom. Here, where the cursor is. And now, this something is moved up here. Yes, two UFO appeared here, and one right in the bottom where the cursor is. I show you guys, it's right there. I go to zoom on it, and that UFO just went next to him. Now, how you got, now that's still there. It's there. It's visible. Right here on the bottom side, where the cursor is. You can see, guys, here where the cursor is. Just check it out. That's a UFO there. And a volcanic eruption over Colima. And the date is 11th of July now, and the time is 1:30 past 1 a.m. in the morning. And have a look at UFO right in the the right bottom. It's now, here you can see guys, two UFOs here, one here, one here. And just have a look, this one here, that's not in the, that's the large, huge large in the object, it appeared just right here. I go to the, make a little bit like that, that just appeared here. That's not as the volcanic smoke and ash, that's a large object. And look at him. I zoom out a little bit, and you can see the date, time, second. 34 past 1 a.m. And look at this one. Look at the huge object above the volcano crater. Look at this huge object above the volcano crater. And now they've frozen a camera. And they just frozen a camera now. Look at him, that large UFO is just appeared above the volcano and they're going down. It's just going down. Look at him, this one. That's a huge, large UFO. That's a disc 2 or tape 2. Have a look now. They just went above the volcano now. Volcanic smoke, and you can see because the smoke is go up, never go down. I got it in the footage before. That one, it was very high up and now it's coming down. It's a huge mothership, huge UFO. And the time is now 42 past 1 a.m. and 29 seconds. .44 1:43 or 43 past 1 a.m. and 1 second now. Have a look at that large, huge large object, UFO above the volcano crater. I'm very happy and very lucky I can in the recording and the whole event. And just a volcanic eruption, just you can see it's a big explosion again and a big large UFO above the volcano crater. .43 past 1 a.m. and 47 seconds. .24 seconds. And here you guys can see this one is still stationary above the volcano crater. That's a huge large UFO mothership there. 1:44 and 55 seconds. A 45 past 1 a.m. and 10 seconds. And you can see guys, that's a huge large UFO mothership. It's above the volcano crater when the big explosion occurred. Here you can see guys, this one here is still stationary. You can see guys clearly the dome and then the disc-shaped UFO, donut-shaped UFO. It's a typical donut-shaped UFO. (48:01 a.m. and 42 seconds). 56 seconds. 1:49, 49:01 a.m. and 11 seconds. And you can see that object shape is still stationary above the volcano crater and a volcano smoke and ash. You can see this is still stationary. 49:01 a.m. and 26 seconds, and now it's 41 seconds, and this object is still stationary above the volcano crater. And you can see, guys, here the UFO just appeared now here, where the cursor is. I moved the camera there. Just look at, guys, the shape of the object, and now it's coming out clearly. That impossible, the volcanic smoke or ash is staying that long or that shape. This one, the huge large UFO mothership above the volcano crater. And look at this side here, the big explosion. And you guys can see clearly here the shape of this in the top section object. It's coming back again. It's a very, very big explosion occurred again. Have a look now. The shape is coming back again. The shape of that object. This one, not a volcanic smoke, that's a huge large UFO mothership above the volcano crater. You can see the shape clearly. This one, that's a volcanic smoke here. And look at this one. When if you rewind the tape or disc, you can see where was it before. It was right up here, exactly same shape, and now it's right above the volcano crater. Fifty 54:01 a.m. and 28 seconds. And 54:01 a.m. and 44 seconds. And you can see how they separating from the smoke of this one, and you can see the shape of this object. That's not a volcanic smoke. And that large object is just sucked the plasma out. And you can see, guys, it's going to separating, and just this suck the plasma out from the volcano crater. And now I think they're going to disappearing. 57:01 a.m. and 30 seconds. The very, very big explosion occurred again. And now, have a look, what I did tell you guys is separated from the crater of this one. Look at now. Just look at now, that object is just separated from the volcanic from the volcanic smoke and ash, and now you can see clearly the shape, and here they suck the air and everything out, the plasma out from the volcano. There's some reason they're using the plasma out from the volcano. Look at, guys, when I make it darker a little bit, you can see exactly that the object shape and the volcanic smoke and everything. Clearly what happened. That's why you can see clearly the shape of this one, that object, because that's a solid object above the volcano crater. When if you rewind the tape, you can see clearly where this one from, and here this one appeared, and is still stationary, this one above the volcano crater. Now